Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make blueberry muffins with sour cream. So before you begin, you are going to need 2 packs of Jiffy Blueberry Muffin Mix, 2 eggs. I like to add some pure vanilla extract to my bakes, and of course the most important ingredient, sour cream. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Next, you are going to need a large mixing bowl, a half-dry measuring cup, and a sturdy whisk. Let's start by emptying both of the Jiffy Blueberry Muffin Mix packs into the large mixing bowl. Then crack both of your eggs into the mixture. Now, with your half-dry measuring cup, squeeze the sour cream all the way to the top and use the rubber spatula to remove it from the cup. Add a capful of vanilla and whisk the mixture until it is completely smooth. Now it's time to line the muffin pan with baking cups. I like to use an ice cream scoop to distribute the batter into the cups because it makes it so much easier for me. Fill the scoop about halfway to 3/4 of the way and drop into the baking cups. Immediately place your muffin pan into the preheated oven and set a timer for 13 to 15 minutes. Be sure to check on them near the 9 to 10 minute mark just to make sure they don't overbake. Once they are ready, pull them directly out of the oven and place them out to cool. Once they have cooled, then it's time to enjoy. This makes a very moist and spongy muffin that will have everyone coming back for more. In fact, they are so good, they won't even last until after dinner. Well, I hope you enjoy my easy sour cream substitution for Jiffy Blueberry Muffin Mix. Stay tuned for all new delicious recipes with some simple substitutions.